Hello children out there, welcome to this mathematics lesson. It's on addition of whole numbers and it is 2 digits, 3 digits and 4 digit numbers that we'll be looking at. This is our second lesson on this particular topic. If you are joining us now, you need to watch the video on lesson 1 on addition of whole numbers, 2 digits, 3 digits and 4 digit numbers. And in the first video, the addition is without carrying any digit from one place value to the other place value. But in this lesson 2, we'll be carrying digits from one place value to another place value. So we take our first problem. Problem 1, 56 plus 38. Again, we said we are going to arrange in a tabular form. So we pick 56 first. And then we now arrange 38 under 56, where the 8 will go under 6 and the 3 goes under the 5. This is the unit digit and this is the tens digit. So the arrangement is based on their place value. So the unit digits under the unit digit, the tens digits under the tens digit, and where we have the 100 digits, it will be under the 100 digits. So we carry out the addition of the number column by column, that is digit by digit, starting from the right, that is the unit digit. So we add 6 and 8. 6 plus 8 gives 14. So we have 14. Now we are not going to leave it as 14 like this. So the 1 here is tens and this 4 is unit. So we move this 1 up to be added to 5 and 3. So we add 1, 5 and 3. So that 1 plus 5 gives 6 and 6 plus 3 gives 9. So we have 56 plus 38 to be equal to 94. And that is the end of solution to problem 1. We go to problem 2. For problem 2, we have 89 plus 67. So again, we are going to arrange in a tabular form. And we have 89. This 9 here is the unit and the 8 is the tens. So 7 here is the unit. So it goes under the 7. And 6 here is the tens. So it goes under the 8. So we now add column by column, starting from the unit column. 9 plus 7 gives 16. So we said this, we are writing this 6, which is the unit, and this 1, which is the tens, will be added to the tens, so that we will now have it as 1 plus 8 gives 9 and 9 plus 6 gives 15. So we have it as 156, since there's no any other number to be added to this one. So our final answer of adding 89 to 67 is 156. So we go to problem 3. For problem 3, we have 467 plus 373. These are 3-digit numbers. So again, we arrange in a tabular form. 467, this 3 goes under the 7, and the 7 here goes under the 6, and 3 goes under the 4. Then we now add, and we add column by column. So we take the first column from the right. 7 plus 3 gives 10. We said we are taking this 1 up to the 6, so that we now add it to 7 and 6. Now we say 1 plus 6 gives 7. 7 plus 7 gives 14. Again, we move this 1 to be added to 4 and 3. Then we go 1 plus 4 gives 5. And 5 plus 3 gives 8. Therefore, 467 plus 373 gives 840. And that's the end of solution to problem 3. We go to problem 4. For problem 4, we have 674 plus 569. We arrange in a tabular form. 674 plus the 9 goes under the 4, the 6 goes under the 7, and the 5 goes under the 6. So we carry out the addition again, column by column. So starting from the right, so the first column there is 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 gives 13. So we move the 1 to be added to 7 and 6. So we go ahead. 1 plus 7 gives 8, and 8 plus 6 gives 14. So we have our answer as 14 there. And remember, this 1 is going up to be added to 6 and 5. So we go ahead there. 1 plus 6 gives 7. 7 plus 5 gives 12. So we have successfully added 674 to 569 to give us 1243. So we are done with problem 4. We go to problem 5. For problem 5, we have a 4-digit numbers. So that is 4,573 plus 2,398. So arranging in a tabular form, 4,573, this 8 goes under the 3, and 9 goes under the 7, 3 goes under the 5, and 2 goes under the 4. So we add column by column again, starting from the first column on from the right. So we have 8 plus 3 gives 11. So we move this 1 up, that is the 10th digit, to be added to 7 and 9. So 1 plus 7 gives 8. 8 plus 9 gives 17. Again, we are moving this 1 up to be added to 5 and 3. So that we now have 1 plus 5 gives 6, and 6 plus 3 gives 9. In this case, we are not carrying any digit, so it is just the 100th digit. So we go to the last column. 4 plus 2 gives 6, and the result of adding 4,573 to 2,398 is 6,971. So we go ahead again to problem 6. For problem 6, these are mixed digits. This is 3-digit number, 2-digit number, and this is 4-digit number. So what we do is we start from the highest digit, as we are arranging it in a tabular form, meaning we start from the highest number to the lowest number. So the highest number here is 2,658. So we have it as 2,658 followed by 856. Meanwhile, in our addition, the 6 will go under the 8, the 5 will go under this 5, and the 8 will go under the 6. So we are done with that, remaining 78. So we are adding 78 so that the 8th digit goes to under 6 and the 7 goes under the 5. Then we can fill in these empty spaces with zeros, so that we'll now add column by column, starting from the first column on the right. So 8 plus 6 gives 14. 14 plus 8 gives 22. So we have 22. These two will go up to be added to 5, 5, and 7. So we add 2, 5, 5, and 7. In this case, it is easier to just say 5 plus 5 gives 10, plus 7, 17, plus 2 gives 19. So we have 19. This one goes up to be added to 6 and 8. 1 plus 6 gives 7. 7 plus 8 gives 15. We have the 15, and this one goes up to be added to 2. So we now have 1 plus 2 gives 3. So we have succeeded in summing up the three numbers to give us 3,592. And this is the highest we can take in this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Until we come your way again, goodbye.